Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to block any user from your TikTok profile. To block someone on your TikTok profile, open the TikTok app. To block someone, go to the person's profile. I'm opening someone from my follower list, and then tap the three dot in the top right corner. Here you will find the block icon. Tap block to block this person. Blocking users disable them from viewing your videos or engaging with you through direct message, comments, follows or likes. If you want to block him, tap on block. If you want to unblock someone, go to the person's profile. Here I am on the profile. Tap the three dot icon on the top and you will find unlock at the bottom, and also you will find unblock at the middle. Tap unblock. The person will be unblocked. How to block people in bulk? If you want to block people in bulk, long press on a comment or tap the pencil icon in the upper left corner to open the window of option. Then you will find manage multiple comments. Select up to 100 comments, then tap more and then tap block accounts. Using the bulk block feature, you can block up to 100 accounts at a time. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.